Alright guys, we're in the People Mover. It's on a Saturday, but not many people in the park today, which I am really surprised, which is great because I was able to get onto. Welcome back.
This is where it's going live.
How does it feel? How does it feel to be back?
Awesome.
Welcome back, man. We're so glad that you're here.
Thank you.
Have a good one. We just love the cast members here. They're just awesome. You know, they're just happy. You know, the cast members are really what makes everything so much special. So here we go. We're in Tomorrowland. So we're the People Mover. Did you know that Disneyland had a People Mover, but they had to decommission? Next time you're in Disneyland, you could actually look up, and literally their tracks are still there. I wonder if they would ever bring it back. That would be really something else. The Tomorrowland is smaller, but it's still really cool though, full of rides and everything, just like this one. And you see all the rain clouds over there? Yeah, we got rained on. That was not fun, but there is the castle for the 50-year anniversary.
And now, Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If you're featuring clean shopping, you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. With the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young roll, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Alright guys, so there goes a new Tron ride. They're still being built. Now it's coming out really cool looking. That looks kind of intense. If you look at the hole right there, that's how high it is. Man, this is gonna be like one of the premier rides. I can guarantee you'll probably be 4 or 5 hours, just like Avatar when it came out in Animal Kingdom.
We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen through the cosmos.
That was Space Mountain, the roller coaster.
To confirm your flight to the moon.
And you could still hear it. People screaming. We're inside the actual ride area. You can hear. We're still in Space Mountain.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
Construction materials and everything down the bottom. See the construction down there?
For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today.
Right there, that's the
starting way
Carousel
back
of
at the turn of
Progress.
the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Calling all Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor Zurg.
As an honorary Space Ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy.
There goes the castle again.
Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
Station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover.
Alright guys, so we are in the final leg of this journey on the People Mover. And this was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed the People Movers. This is a great place to just hang out, watch things people watch, do a ride.
Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover. It's been a
Like about 10 or 15 minutes of your day. So there you go. And we'll do you.
Remain seated until the doors slide open automatically.
Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.